Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Toki the Dragon token. Name of the token is Toki, ticker symbol is also Toki. Now this is an homage meme coin to a Matt Furie character in the Knight Riders comic book. Matt Furie is the artist who made the cartoon, the comic books, the Boys Club, Mind Viscosity, the Knight Riders, very popular characters like Pepe, Brett, Andy, Landwolf, Bird Dog, you name it. There's tons of them. I'm going to be posting some Matt Furie related token videos today. One of them is Mystery, which is the frog character in the Knight Riders, which is friends with Toki. And then we're going to be talking about Toki the Dragon in this video. And probably another video called Dusty today I may post. I'm going to have a look to see if that token is still doing well, because you never know these days. By the time I go do a video, it could be, down 90% or something. I have no idea. So we'll have to check that one out. But maybe Dusty I'll be talking about today. That's another Matt Furie meme coin. And yeah, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here at Toki the Dragon, so you guys can easily find this project here. It has a link to their webpage right there, toki-dragon.com. Brand new project. You can see they just joined Twitter December 2024. We're going to be talking about the Toki the Dragon token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find the Toki token listed on Etherscan, but if you want to find the chart, the price, all the statistical information, you can find it on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. You can find it all over the place here. Their webpage, toki-dragon.com, has links to their socials, Twitter, Telegram, has the contract address, all the charts, a buy now button that'll take you to Uniswap. So it says, Toki the Dragon, a creation by Matt Furie, is a vibrant and loyal guardian of the whimsical trio Mystery, Wat, and Hoodrat, with scales shimmering in hues of yellow sapphire and ruby. Toki is as enchanting as he is formidable. He stands as a fierce protector of his friends, blending his playful spirit with unwavering courage. Whether soaring through the skies or unleashing his fiery breath, Toki ensures the safety of his companions, defending their magical world against any threat. His bond with Mystery, Hoodrat, and Wat is unbreakable, and together they embark on an adventure filled with humor, heart, and the charm of Furie's imaginative artistry. So it says 0% buy and sell tax, burnt liquidity, and a total supply of that looks like 420.69 trillion tokens. So if you are looking to get this token, it is on the Ethereum blockchain. So you could use a wallet like a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, any one of those wallets would do. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH. Now you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Toki token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, toki-dragon.com, or you can find it in their pinned tweet right there on their Twitter. In their pinned tweet, they have the webpage, Telegram, DEX screener chart, and contract address. So all the links you're going to need basically are on this Twitter right here. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage when buying or selling this token because it says 0% taxes. There will be some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now, this Twitter has 48 tweets, 366 followers so far, and they have lots of updates on there that you could check out. And they even posted a book here. It says you could check out the boards.4chan.org catalog here, where you can check out Toki on 4chan. Anyways, that's irrelevant to the token. But it says here how to buy on their webpage. In case you get stuck, you can always follow the steps on their webpage of how to get the token. If you're not familiar with, mind viscosity, mystery, these other characters, you could check out the video I'm uploading today on mystery token, which is a even more popular token than this one today. That mystery token is the frog in mind viscosity, and that token's trending #1 on DEX tools as I'm recording this video. So very popular. If you need to reach out, contact at toki-dragon.com is the email. They have a Telegram at Toki the Dragon that has 186 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. They have a couple of audits here, Go Plus Security Audit and Quick Intel Security Audit. There's no warnings on any of those. Now they have a marketing boost ads button that is live right now. So they have been doing some marketing today on DEX Screener. It says 500 lightning bolt ads. So yeah, they've been doing a good job shilling the token out. Right now their market cap is $821,000. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. They've had almost 1,000 transactions today. Right now, they're at 24-hour trading volume of $874,000. Trending #4 on DEX Screener in the Ethereum section right now. And they have here $121,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap. And according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity in Uniswap is locked and burned. So yeah, go check this token out. Check out the mystery token video that I'm uploading today. I may do another Matt Furie meme coin video today called Dusty. Let me actually check to see how that token's doing before I even say that, because as far as meme coins go these days, a meme coin could be at, a couple $1 million market cap and then all of a sudden down to zero in no time. So they have here you can find that token, the Dusty token, on DEX Screener, DEX tools as well. Same with the mystery token. Yeah, Dusty seems to still be doing okay. They're actually promoting Dusty on on DEX Screener today as well. I saw it trending yesterday, and that is a brand new token that just came out under a week ago, which is another Matt Furie character token. So we're going to be talking about Dusty today as well. So check out all those videos, the Matt Furie meme coin videos I'm posting today. Let me know in the comments which one are you following, Dusty or Mystery or Toki, or any of them, or all of them. Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.